Hello, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. Another week is here for all that good planning. It's hosted by myself, Crafty Girl Chronicles, and it's a way that I plan out the things that I need to do, but I also find time to have some fun while I'm doing them. I don't stress if I can't get everything done all at once. I always spread it over time if needed, such as days, weeks, and even months. But I don't forget to take some time out for myself. I do list things that I am happy to do, such as a bit of exercising, a dance routine. I listen to music, my favourite podcasts, and all that good stuff. Regular pedicure, dabble with manicuring at home, all those things contribute to some relaxation and some mind calmness. So if it's something that you like or you would like to give it a try, I would be happy to have your company. All you have to do is upload your video, and in your title you just put hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done, and also, if you don't mind tagging me at Crafty Girl Chronicles, I would really appreciate it. Alright, so let's get down to today, which is the 29th of the month of September to the 5th of October. Can't believe it now. Oh my goodness. We're in zone 2. I do follow the Fly Lady cleaning system, cleaning method zones, and for zone 2 it's dust in high places, polish and obviously dust the sitting room as well, clean under the sofa, clean the desktop area, and clean up any wires or anything, or move them around and fix them up and get between them to hoover or to dust and wipe down. So that's what I've got to do for zone 2 this week. My compulsory cleaning is my beds, bleach the kitchen, bathroom and toilet, hoover everywhere, and do my budgeting. I wash and dry Monday, Wednesday and Fridays without fail. Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday I fold and pack away the clothes that I wash and dried the previous day. I do spread it over the days. I don't do everything in one day. It's so much better once I spread it over the days. Everything is subject to change, and I do add or omit at times, so I just leave everything open for my peace of mind and being able to do what I can do. I've done the Monday, Wednesday and Friday for wash and dry, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday for fold and pack away. Monday, Wednesday and Friday I do my budgeting, and also Monday, Wednesday and Friday I take a walk, and I do have a long walk on a Saturday. Now on a Wednesday I normally join a walking group with some other ladies in our local park, but we're finished for the season now until spring next year, God spare. So I will be tackling that on my own by doing a long walk on a Wednesday, as much as I do a short one with Archie because I walk every day with him, but I implement my own walking schedule where I get my cardios in. And then Saturday I will do a long walk as well. Last week I started sorting out some storage areas, so my linen cupboard I'm still working on. You see, I take my time and do my little things in stages because I've got other things to do. I've got to clean my house, I've got to make appointments, I've got to go to appointments, I've got to make calls, I've got to, cook my food and stuff like that. So I always do them in little stages if I can. If I've got the time to just go on all out and get things done, like sorting out the stories, then I will, but I'm taking my time and I'm doing it. So this week I will endeavour tomorrow especially, to start doing a little bit more. I can see the progress, and that's all that matters to me. I've got some deliveries tomorrow. I'm shopping with my grandson Ash, so depending on what time the delivery is going to arrive, I'm hoping that it arrives before I leave with him. If not, then, because I'm sending a cargo to the Caribbean, so I need to get that done and have that shipped next week, the first week in October. So I want to get that done. So we've just got a bit more shopping to do so I can fill it and well, finish filling it, because it's halfway filled already, and then I can get that sent off. Now let's see what else. On Thursday I have got movie night, but I also tried to put in a bit of time in the garden and also for some ironing. Today is a beautiful day, so I'm hoping that I can go out in the garden and do a bit of gardening, just to see what needs doing then, and then make a little plan to get that done. And I consider that to be part of my self-care, my gardening, because it's no stress. It isn't. It's so calming and therapeutic that by the time I get out there, I just get lost in those plants and greenery and, you know, tidying up and stuff like that. So that's good for me. All right, so Sunday it's church, and Wednesday and Sunday is foot soak. Okay, so Wednesday and Sunday I have a foot soak. After church I have that, and I think I am done for this week so far. I was going to say something, but I've forgotten now. Oh dear, 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 dear. Love my happy planner. It just keeps me in check. Now, when I did start my happy planner at the beginning of the year, I did have my tabs for my categories for budget, meal plan, household and well-being, and that's been going really, really well. But most of them is a bit private, so I just thought I won't bother with it. I did share my meal plan, which I'm getting underway with that, as well as the weather's getting colder. I am going to need some hot food. So but my budgeting, my household and my well-being is going really, really well. And then I will get back to the meal plan. I haven't got anything. Get barrels sent off. Get barrels sent. So Sunday is the 5th, so let's do it for between the 6th and 7th. Between the 6th and 7th, that will be off to Jamaica for family. Right, the washi tapes, I've packed them back in the washi tape container, but these are my old school washi tape that I've had for a while. I really do like it because it looks kind of distressed. It's so sweet, this washi tape is, and it's such a nice autumn color as well. I used my gel pen, this one, and I'm starting to use my gel pens now because I have got a lot and I need to use them up. There you go. There's my gel pens and I need to use them up. So that's what I'm doing from now on. I used this stencil as well. I've had this for so long. It's by Helix. You know, that stationery company, Helix. I'm just wondering if it's a UK company or international, I'm not sure, but that's what I used for my dates and I enjoyed using it. I did use the gel pen for that as well, and they dried really quick. I found this image on Pinterest, and it was an A4 sheet, and I just cut it smaller and tore off the ends to put them here. I also got these cups from Pinterest as well, and I printed them out and fussy cut them. And also, look at her, isn't she a doll? Oh my goodness, when I saw her I had to have her. So I printed her out and I fussy cut her out and I stuck her there, and she makes me so happy. She really does. She's gorgeous, adorable. So that's it for me. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.